Back to my YouTube channel. It is still your favorite graphic designer, Tech, and I'm happy to have you all here. So guys, in today's tutorial I'm going to be teaching you guys how to create this simple, amazing and stunning happy birthday flyer. And I know that you would love to learn how I was able to create this flyer using just my smartphone in PixelLab. So guys, without further ado, let's get started. So guys, this is our PixelLab. Now the first thing I want you to do is to change the size of your canvas. So click on this icon, go to image size, then change your width to 915. Beautiful. The next thing we need to do is to change the color of this background. So click on this last icon, go to color. I want us to give it a white color. Beautiful. Click on this center icon, click on import. Let's import the background I will be using to create this amazing design. So this is the background, so stretch it. So I want you to delete this background. Before then I want you to duplicate it. So click on copy, delete this one, then bring this other one back. Beautiful. Click on this icon, click on lock. Let's lock the background. Now the next thing I want us to import is this effect. Yes, just click on it, stretch it. That's okay. Beautiful. Okay, stretch it again, This is beautiful. I want it to be at the center. Wonderful. Okay, so click on the icon below the three dots and lock it. Now let's bring in the image of the celebrant. This is the image of the celebrant. Wonderful. So stretch it again. This is okay. Duplicate it, delete the one behind. Go to position, put it at the center. Click on the icon below the three dots and lock it. Wonderful. Now let's import that flying carpeting. Okay, wonderful. Click on this icon, take it behind the celebrant. This is beautiful. Make sure you lock it. Wonderful. Now let's import the birthday write-up, happy birthday write-up. This is the happy birthday write-up. Don't worry, you are going to have access to the design resources. I'm going to drop a link in the description. Do well to click on that link, and that link will take you to where you are supposed to get the design resources. So reduce it a little. Okay, place it there. Now let's write the name of the birthday celebrant. Click on your A icon, click on text, go to edit, Edwin Mose Emmanuel. Beautiful. Bring it down, go to color, give it a white color. Go to font, let's change the font to Metropolis Bold. Beautiful. Now I want us to use a center alignment for this write-up. So go to alignment. Yes, this is the kind of alignment I want us to use. Beautiful. Now go to line spacing, increase the line spacing a little. Beautiful. Just leave it there for now. Reduce it a little. Okay, that's amazing. Reduce this right up a little. Okay, then bring it here. It's beautiful. The next thing I want us to import is the date of his birthday. Beautiful. Reduce it. Reduce it. Reduce it. Sorry about that. Reduce it. Go to relative size. Reduce it from there. Then bring it down. Just place it there. Okay, this is beautiful. Now let's also import that shot right up. Yes, reduce it, bring it here, increase it a little. That is beautiful. Increase it a little again. Okay, now let's import this stuff. I don't know what they call it. Yes, this is what I'm talking about. Click on this icon, take it behind. Wonderful. Sorry about that. Okay, bring it down. Just place it there. That's okay. Let's import another one. Not this one. Sorry, delete this one. Let's go back and import it again. Okay. Reduce it. Place it here. Copy it. Place it here. Guys, we are done with this simple birthday flyer. Like I told us, it is a simple birthday flyer. With this concept, you can create amazing birthday flyers for your clients. So I want you to do what? Save as project and also as image. Change it to what? Ultra. Save to what? To gallery. Now let's take it to our Snapseed. Import the image. Beautiful. Go to pop. Well, I don't like this pop. Let's edit it manually. So click on tools, go to tune image, increase the brightness a little, increase the contrast, okay, increase the saturation a little, increase the ambience, increase the highlight, increase the shadow. Beautiful. Click on tools again, go to detail, increase the structure a little, also increase the sharpening. So sorry that the image is not sharp. The image that the celebrant sent to me is not sharp, but I just wanted to show you guys how I was able to create this beautiful birthday flyer using just my smartphone. If you are done, click on export. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video to the end, and if you know you are yet to subscribe, quickly hit the subscribe button and also turn on the notification bell so that YouTube can notify you whenever I drop a new video. Thank you so much for staying to the end. See you in my next video.